In our definition of just banking, we refer to the real economy and that just banks operate in the real economy. And throughout this course, we will mention the distinction between the real economy and the financial economy again and again. So we felt it would be helpful if we double-click on this concept, because real economy and financial economy is not just a black and white distinction. So there are investments in the real economy that are really problematic, and there are investments in the financial economy that are really helpful. And throughout this course, and especially at the end of the course, we will also talk about balancing the real economy and the financial economy. So the first point to mention, and which is really important, is that the purpose of just banking is to serve the real economy. And the concept that we will refer to here was developed by David Causland of the Global Alliance for Banking on Values, who talks about several degrees of separation from the real economy. And we thought that's a helpful intellectual concept that we want to briefly touch on here. So David distinguished between the two poles, the financial and the real economy, and gives several examples. So, you know, if you buy an office building and, you know, you have a farm, that's obviously the work in the real economy. And then you can step by step basically separate financial interactions from the real economy. An example for a first degree of separation are loans. An example for a second degree of separation are liquidity deposits, which just banks need to do in order to stay liquid. So there is definitely investment that just banking engage in that has a 2-degree separation from the real economy. An example for the third degree are credit default swaps, and when we come into the area of the fourth degree, then we enter this area of repackaging of investments where money actually makes money. And obviously these are not clear distinctions, they are always blurring boundaries, but we felt this is a very helpful distinction to get a little bit a better understanding of, you know, what is this field of the real economy and the financial economy.